Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm actually going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. It is going to be a glowy, fresh-faced glam look for the summer, and I'm actually partnering with Lithe Lashes. They are a lash company based in Toronto and they are vegan and cruelty free. They make lashes that are supposed to look natural and super lightweight, and I'm obsessed with them. I'm wearing them right now obviously and they feel amazing. Their lash glue is absolutely amazing and I will have all of their links down below, so definitely check them out if you're looking for a good pair of lightweight natural looking eyelashes. I think this is perfect for the summertime if you do want to be a little more fresh faced but still have, you know, cute lashes. So without further ado, why don't we just go ahead and get started. So I already started off by applying my base. I did my foundation, concealer, and primer, and I will have what I used down below, but I just thought it would be easier to just do that off camera. I'm going to then take my e.l.f. Putty blush. This is the cream one, and this is in Bora Bora, and I'm gonna take this on the back of my beauty blender and just take a little bit on here and apply it onto my cheekbones, like a little higher on my face. And I absolutely love this blush because I just think it looks so natural, and that is the point of this makeup video, is to create something that's natural and fresh faced. I feel like for summertime, cream blush is like the best thing to use because it just looks so natural, like I said. So I'm applying this all on the tops of my cheeks. I hope you guys can see that. I just feel like it lifts up my face a lot more rather than putting it right in the apples and the center of my cheeks. And I bring that up onto my temples a little bit. And that is how it looks. I think it looks cute. And I'm gonna take a little bit more and just apply it there. You can also apply it on your nose a little bit, like just dab it on your nose if you want that like sunburnt look. But personally today, I'm not going to be doing it with this blush because it's a little too of like a neon pink. So yeah. Once that is all finished, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and I haven't been baking too much recently, so I'm just gonna take this and apply it on to the parts of my face that get really greasy, which is my whole face, but mainly in my T-zone area. And I'm going to apply some under my eyes so my eyes don't crease. And yeah, I feel like baking sometimes can give you more of a dramatic look, and that's not what we're really going for today. I kind of want it to still be glowy and natural, so yeah, that is the next step. And then I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this and apply it in my cheekbone just to give us like that bronzy look and to help contour our face a little bit. And I'm applying that on my jawline as well so that our foundation matches our neck. And yeah, that is how that looks. And we have one more step to the face and we will be done with our face makeup. So like I mentioned before, I really like using cream products for the warmer weather, and I'm gonna take this Morphe cream highlighter in Effect 3. It's just what it looks like. It's like a stick highlighter. I just take it on my ring finger and my middle finger and just dab it on the high points of my cheeks and bringing it up in like a C motion. I think it looks so glowy. This is amazing for like the summertime because in the sun, this product looks absolutely stunning. I'm gonna take a little bit and put it on my nose. And that's that, you guys. And finally, we're just gonna take some setting spray. This is Morphe. And set our face so it looks nice and dewy. That is the goal. So we're gonna start on the eyes now, and I'm taking my Madison Beer Morphe Artistry palette. I really like this palette. This is kind of what it looks like, but we're just gonna go for a very natural look. I know that I wear a lot of fake lashes and stuff like that, but I really do want to start wearing things a little more natural. So I'm going to bring myself in, and I'm gonna take a light brown shade, just like a lighter brown shade, and I'm going to apply this into my crease. And it looks dark at first, but we will really blend this out to make it look seamless and nice. So I'm just blending this and going in windshield wiper motions, and at the end I kind of like to drag it upwards so that it looks a little more of like a cat eye effect. And just blend, blend, blend. So now that that's all blended, I like to take a white cream color and just apply this onto the inner part of my eyes just to brighten it up. And you guys can see that just really made my eyes look whiter and brighter. And then once more, we're just gonna blend it so that there are no harsh lines and that it looks nice. And then I'm gonna take like an angled sort of brush, like an eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna take a dark brown eyeshadow and just create a wing and kind of smoke it in. So you guys can see I just flicked it up a little bit, and I'm going to drag it inwards like so, and then we're just gonna smoke that out. So I'm just gonna do that while I can see. So you can use like a black or brown. I like to use brown because I just think it looks a little more natural. And I'm gonna do it as close to my lash line as possible. So you guys can just see the difference in my eye shape. It looks a little more rounded, and I just really like that look. I think it looks a lot cuter and flattering for my eye shape. So that is kind of what the first eye looks like, and we're gonna repeat that on the other side. So now that they're somewhat even, we're just gonna take a little pointed brush, I think, or no, we'll take a flat brush for the white shadow that we did, and just smoke this out a little bit and smudge it. It does not have to look perfect. I mean, you guys can see my liner is not perfect. So now I'm going to be taking my Lithe lashes. These look so beautiful and natural. This is what they look like. I'm obsessed. They look such great quality, and I'm just gonna take this out and trim it to my eye shape and my eye length, and then I will be right back. So once my eyelashes are trimmed, I'm gonna take this Lithe Lash Bond, and this is just a brush-on glue adhesive. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks so sleek. I love like the matte black that it is, and I'm just gonna take it out. And before that, we're gonna get our little tweezer ready. They sent me this cute little like eyelash tweezer. I normally use these really spiky ones from the drugstore, and it can be a little dangerous. So this one is going to make it a lot easier to use. It just looks like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eyelash, and I'm kind of gonna like do this with it, and this just kind of helps get the eyelash a little bit more U-shaped so we can fit it on our eyes. And then we're gonna take the lash glue, and I'm just gonna brush a little bit of this on. Now the trick with applying eyelashes is that you want to wait a little bit for the lash glue to dry, but not too long, otherwise the lash glue will be a little too dry. So I'm just gonna take this and apply it. I'm gonna pinch my tweezers in the middle of the eyelash. And what I'm gonna do is I have my mirror right here. There's a mirror in here, and I'm just gonna look down but have my head up. And I'm gonna start by just placing this eyelash in the middle of my eye, like that. And then you can kind of maneuver it around. You can maneuver it around like so. So look at how natural those look. These look literally like eyelash extensions. I'm actually so amazed. I want to get eyelash extensions, but they're really expensive. So that is kind of what they look like, and I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit more and play around with it. If you guys are new to applying lashes, it does take a little bit of time to get used to, but once you figure it out, you are like a pro at it, you guys, I swear. So I'm gonna repeat the same process on the other eye and apply my glue. I also love these tweezers. They are perfect for, you know, beginners out there because they're not pokey on your eye. Let this kind of dry a little bit, like I said. Pinch the eyelashes in between and right in the middle of my eye, and then look down but have your head up, and start by applying it on the base and then work your way out and in. So now that our eye makeup is done, what I'm gonna do is take an eyelash curler. Lithe actually did send me this, and I'm gonna take my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. And this way the natural lash and the fake lash kind of have something to stick to, and it doesn't look so obvious. Okay, so I just curled my eyelashes, both of them, and now I'm gonna take my final step and take my mascara, and again, I'm just gonna apply a thin layer of this onto my eyes. So now that the mascara is all on, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a final step and take a shimmery white color, and I'm just going to take this and apply it onto the inner like part of my eyelid just to give it a little bit more of a pop, like so. And I'm going to apply it on this eye, and it just gives you an extra little pop, a little extra shine. I think it looks really cute. And our final step is actually going to be our lips. I'm going to take my ColourPop BFF lip liner and line my lips with this. So this is how the final makeup actually turned out. I think it looks super cute and glowy and natural and fresh faced. I mean, it definitely is still a teeny bit glam in there because, you know, I like a little bit of glam. But I absolutely adore these lashes. Definitely go check out Lithe lashes if you guys want to find some natural lashes. They are so amazing. They feel honestly like weightless. It doesn't even feel like I have eyelashes on, which is crazy. But they still provide you a little bit of extra oomph than your normal lashes would. So thank you so much to Lithe again for working with me. I love all these products so much. And thank you guys for watching today's video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!